Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your look at the markets for this week. It is the 8th of February. Let's take a little look at gold, because last week gold was our short signal. We were looking for a red PTS. We got the red PTS short signal at 1833. And then the next day, we got straight down to our first profit target of 1798. And then since then, we just rallied, gone higher for these three sessions here. Now, this short trade is still in play, but we've really got to see a new red candlestick tomorrow. This blue candlestick here is just telling us that we're reverting back to the mean, and we certainly need to see some more sell side pressure. Now, we did bank some profits here. Now, our stop is still here at 1845. We get to 1845, then we're going to come out of this trade with a small profit. But really, it needs to foul here, guys, and we need to see this market from today, Monday, any time from now, basically starting to push lower. Okay, so not quite yet there yet. And those of you that want to know why the market is actually sort of sideways at the moment, if you take a little look at the weekly chart, these are the moving averages. You can see that the moving averages are coming down on price and rising. So we're sort of trapped inside these crocodile jaws, as I like to say. When you get trapped inside, the pro-trend system turns white like this, and it gets very, very choppy. If you get above the moving averages or below the major moving averages, then we can see a market run. But that's why gold is pretty much going nowhere as we speak. Aussie dollar though, Aussie dollar, this is the weekly chart. We've been green on the Aussie dollar all the way up here, and it still stays green on the weekly chart. And with the dollar weakness today, we're seeing the Aussie dollar strong. So we can get up to 80.33 in this market, and we're making a bit of a pullback. And now we could see a bit of a move higher. Okay, so yeah, looking quite good on the daily chart. If I take a little look at that, we've got a pro-trend system firing off from yesterday. Okay, so the Sunday night session basically has a green pro-trend system. We really want to count Monday's one to really confirm. It looks like it's going to confirm green. Then we're going to get up to 77.83, then 78.88, and then possibly a big target 18.97 here. So watching this market really, really closely. Now, the thing that will stop it from going higher, if we stall here around this 77.83 area and then come in with a red PTS, then that trade is over and done with. While it's still green, we're still long. We're looking for a strong market against the US dollar on the Aussie. S&P 500, let's take a little look at those. I mean, still green pro-trend system, 3,831, met target 3,899. Who knows? I mean, the smaller time frames, if we go down to the 1 hour chart, we are seeing sort of this low volume market as we push to these new highs in the stock market indices in the US. And as we push to these new highs, you can see there is potential for a major drop here, just like these areas here. When I say major, I'm not saying a big market change here, but I'm just saying a pullback within this uptrend. Okay, let's have a look at the German DAX, because that's a really interesting daily chart here. You can see the German DAX has broken above the high right in here, which is around that 14,134. Now we've got this candlestick today. Remember, it hasn't closed yet. This candlestick is giving us a bit of a shooting star formation here, or candlestick for today, but it hasn't closed yet. And this could be a double top. Is this a top? Could this be a double top? And then could we see a double top drop? Who knows? We shall see. If we get a red PTS the next few days, then I will short that market looking for a double top drop. But at the moment, it's just too early to say. We've hit profit target to the long side of 14.92, and I think it's a good idea now to trail that stop nice and tight. If you look at crude oil, where are you? Right in here. Crude's coming into its next target, 58.31. All right, that's pretty much over this trade once it gets to 58.31. There's no new buy signals as we speak on that. But another market that could be setting up a new short trade is the pound New Zealand dollar. Now, been very strong. I was on IGTV last week talking about sterling and how strong it's been. Yeah, but I think against the New Zealand dollar, we could start to see another sell signal here. So I'm watching for it to come out of the white PTS and turn red, and then maybe get a really decent sized move. It's been sideways for a number of weeks now. I think the pound New Zealand might be due another move. And also, one of its other currency sort of cousins, I should say, the Euro Aussie, is starting to push down already. Okay, so we've got a nice red PTS. Euro Aussie is key. We're up already 100 pips on this. We were looking for short side trades. This market is well underway, so I'm looking for much lower prices on the Euro Aussie. All right, guys, lots of stuff. Come and join us here at Trading College on our Pro Trader program. We'll be doing this every single week together on a Monday evening. But have a great rest of your trading week, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care now.